bunnies, welcome to another video. For this video, as you can see from the title, this is going to be a watercolor on synthetic hair fail. What I wanted to achieve was that scissor Kim Kardashian neon green slime look. That's what I was going for. I had this wig before and I got it in 613. It's the Super Venus by Red Carpet. It was $29.99 at my local beauty supply store. Because it is an older wig, you could probably find it online a lot cheaper. I started out with boiling hot water. I want to say like 6 cups of boiling, and I think I used too much water. Notice I think about it. It was about 6 cups of boiling hot water and then maybe like 6 cups of hot tap water, and I did it in my stainless steel kitchen sink because I didn't want to stain any bowls. I didn't want to stain my bathroom or anything like that. So that's where I did it. The dye, I actually used the Adore, I forget the name, I want to say lime green, lemon green, something like that, some kind of green. I put the picture from the Adore line, and I went with this instead of the Rit dye because I saw a couple other videos where they did the Adore dye. And you know how YouTube is, you see one tutorial and you feel like you can do anything. This is my life. So I did that, mixed it all up with a hanger and everything. I had my gloves on, I got my 613 wig, dipped it into the water. You know, it was looking amazing. I left it in there for 30 minutes, even longer than the other videos said to do. And then when I took it out, the something just slid right off. And I used one entire bottle. All right, no problem, cool. Sent my husband out because I had just washed my hair. I was not leaving the house with my hair looking crazy. I sent him out to get another bottle of dye for me. All right, cool. So he comes back, he gets the dye. I pour it all over the thing. They're doing it, massaging it in. Lift it up, there's something still. Let me say, all right, let me leave it for another 30 minutes. What I should have done, or what I think I should have done, was just done it strictly in hot water, in boiling hot water. Like wet it up first with the regular hot tap water and then dip it in boiling hot water. So like I said, I should just put it in the boiling hot water with the color, and then maybe it would have taken the thing, but that did not work either. I took it out after the 30 minutes, put it on my mannequin head, and all the color just dripped from the roots to the ends all the way out, like nothing even touched it. The only thing it did was stain my wig. So got some fabric softener, some hot tap water, rinse out the whole thing. It came back to a gorgeous 613. The curls, however, became a lot fluffier. Didn't mind, it was a nice fuller look. So I put on this 613 wig, and I'm saying to myself, Lori, you cannot pull this off. There are no lowlights in this wig. There are no roots on this wig. You cannot pull off this solid blonde 613. It's not cute unless your face is like beat to the gods, okay? And then you'd end up looking more drag, all right? Which is not the look we want for every day. We want a nice little beat for every day, and then save the drag looks for the club or something, right? Because a queen lives. Anyways, so took my 613 wig, this is me trying to put her back on the mannequin, and got my Cream of Nature edge control in black. Took that with an old toothbrush and decided to add some roots to my wig. It started looking cute, but then it started turning silver. Okay, now because Super Venus doesn't have a defined part, whether in the middle or on the sides, I decided to do like a little Alea J inspired, a little bit up top, not in the top, and then the rest of it down. And this is what we end up with here. She is still kind of cute, you know, she still has a look to her, but as you can see, all the stain from the dye is gone. It's completely 613. And then this is what I was talking about with the silver. It looks kind of dirty. But at the end of the day, I feel like I now have a cosplay wig. So turn it into a positive? I don't know. Who am I cosplaying as? That is the question. Maybe a fairy or something, I don't know. And Halloween is gone, so I don't even know. So let's just say I wasted about $50, the wig and the hair color and everything plus tax. Yeah, so that was a complete fail. Will I ever try it again? Yes, surprisingly, but I want to do it on real hair. Like you see this hair right now, how it have that wet look. this is the look I wanted, but with the slime green. I'm definitely not dyeing this hair. I'm gonna buy some cheap body wave hair from the beauty supply store. Hopefully I can get it in a 613 and then dye that green. I might not even do the watercolor thing. I might just do regular dye and call it a day, because this, it's a long process. It's a very long process, and it was just too much. But that is my fail. I hope you learned from my mistakes. I don't know what my mistakes were, but I hope you can pinpoint them. If you know what my mistakes were, leave them in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.